Welcome back to Instables, everyone. So I'm going to go over and update you guys on CEI, as CEI has been coming up and testing that $1 mark throughout the week. I want to make sure we do cover exactly what has to happen for CEI to hold over this $1 mark and continue on past it. What exactly would give us that confirmation on that momentum, and also where you guys can find these breakout alerts so you guys do not miss them again. And I'll ask in return as you guys smash that like button and hit subscribe if you guys want to see more chart updates on potential breakouts that we mentioned throughout the week. So let's jump into this one. So I'm going to go over CEI with you guys here on the 4-hour chart so you guys can see what we're looking out for overall, and also exactly what's going to give us that confirmation past that $1 mark, and exactly why we have been getting rejected exactly at $1, about $1.04 multiple times. I'm going to go over all of this with you guys, but before we get started, I want to mention that we do alert penny stock and breakout alert stuff today. We mentioned SPRT today on that volume spike at $21.03, jumping all the way up to $25 going to extended hours, looking to see if we can continue. I did go over SPRT in the video before this. We also mentioned EFTR today halted at $13.70, jumping all the way up to $40 on the day. We also mentioned HLBZ halted at $10.93, jumping all the way up to $14.50 on the day. So if you guys do want to see all of our breakout alerts throughout the day, go to instables.com in the description below, and you guys will never miss a breakout alert throughout the day again. So as you guys can see here on CEI, again, we are trying to hold over this $1 mark. As you guys can see, again, we have been getting rejected at about $1, and you guys can see we are getting rejected at about $1.04, not continuing on past that and not holding above it. And what I wanted to show you guys here is exactly why we have been getting rejected at about $1, $1.04. As you guys can see previously in this chart, we did have our consolidation and continuation sell-off at this point. As you guys can see, again, we have been continuing on down for quite a while. We did have our major spike, and now we are testing this consolidation and continuation sell-off point that we did have previously, looking to see if we can continue on past this. Again, we would like the body of the candle to break above this $1.04 mark, but also we do want that momentum and that buy pressure to make sure we do get that strong push. So as you guys can see here, we have that decrease in buy pressure here on the MACD, looking to see if we can increase in buy pressure, looking to see if we can continue on past this previous rejection point that we do have. And in my opinion, if we can get that increase in buy pressure going into tomorrow, just like we did here with those white shaded lines, and it had that increase in buy pressure on that confirmation. Again, we did alert this one previously when we did have that confirmation on that breakout, and breaking over that 76 mark that we did alert previously, jumping all the way up to where we are now at $1.04. We are looking to see if we can increase in buy pressure from this decrease in buy pressure recently. In my opinion, CEI definitely on the watch to continue on past $1, but again, in my opinion, we need to make sure we do continue on with buy pressure. I do like how the EMA lines are holding above the MACD. Again, when the EMA lines are holding above the MACD, it shows us that we could have a continuation. So I'm going to go back to the 5-minute chart so you guys can see exactly what has been going on today and exactly what we're looking out for going to tomorrow. As you guys can see, we have the 20-moving average and the 50 consolidating throughout the day, looking to see if we can get the 20-moving average to curl up going to tomorrow and continue on past this $1.04 mark to possibly give us that continuation on the buy pressure. As you guys can see, overall, we have been consolidating throughout the day, looking to see if we can get that major spike with buy pressure. As you guys can see previously, we had that major buy pressure point that we did have. We have our alert right above that previous buy pressure point, so that way if we do break above it, then we will have confirmation on that momentum, in my opinion. So again, here on CEI on the 5-minute chart, I would be waiting for us to break above this previous buy pressure point to get that strong momentum. As you guys can see, we did get some buy pressure today, looking to see if we can increase in buy pressure. But however, as you guys can see, we are still consolidating with that increase in sell pressure, looking to see if we can continue on up with the strong push here. But again, CEI definitely on the watch, only on the watch to get that momentum, in my opinion. CEI has been on quite the run from that alert that we had last week at about 76 cents. So we're going to keep that in consideration. Make sure we do keep this $1 resistance as a very strong consideration, in my opinion, as we did have, again, our continuation sell-off at this point, and we also did have a continuation sell-off overall in the stock recently. So again, with no news, in my opinion, we need to make sure we can hold over this $1 mark with that confirmation. If we do not get that confirmation, then we could get rejected and definitely sell off from here. So again, CEI definitely on the watch to hold over $1 and to get that increase in buy pressure to get that momentum. But again, if we don't get that increase in buy pressure, then we could get that rejection and possibly come down from there. So if you guys do want to see all of our breakout alerts of the day, go to instables.com in the description below, and you guys will never miss a penny stock breakout alert through it again. And everybody that has been in the comment section, everybody that has been supporting the channel, I appreciate every one of you guys as always. Much love to every one of you guys as always. And if you guys do like this video, it does help other people find it, and it does help the channel grow, and I do appreciate it very much. And again, God bless you all, and I'll see you guys in the next video.